In the practice of architecture, there are several different planning approaches for enterprise transformation. Let's put the factor of time on the x-axis and the level of innovation on the y-axis. One practice is to start with the current and future states, and then plan incremental steps from the current or as-is state toward the future or to-be state. The challenge is that most organizations are sort of stuck in a rut of incremental innovation over time. Often they don't see fundamental changes and trends. They look at the current as-is and focus on the constraints and the demands of their current business. This results in modest levels of innovation year over year. These incremental steps are usually not enough to keep pace with increasing rates of change. A more disruptive planning approach is to ignore the current state and break from the barriers of today. Instead, envision the future state as a part of a longer planning horizon, say 5, 10, or even 15 years. Used in combination with scenario planning, where stakeholders are presented with multiple scenarios and future timeframes, the latter enabling them to better understand the proposed rate of change. Now you work backwards to identify the products, services, and organizational changes that need to occur, mapping back to the current state, thus allowing a clear planning horizon of the future state. Often we underestimate how fast the world around us changes and how fundamental these changes were. Using scenarios helps to sensitize organizational planners to more readily identify key trends that are likely to fundamentally change the landscape in which we currently operate in our as-is. Backcasting coupled with scenario planning provides a disruptive approach to innovation planning and provides a means of how to proceed towards that future vision. Please consider subscribing to our channel and hit the notification button. Thank you for watching.